Yo, shout out to my middle son, man, Tristan, on graduating from Furman University, man. We just pulled back up from celebrating that whole ordeal, man. That's a huge accomplishment, man. Thank you for handling your business. Yao Ming, and let's get into this video.
Pick a shoe out the shroom, that's how the day be. Whoa, got way more kicks than a pregnant lady. Hey, yeah, started off with the son, the trade master. He's stealing trays like he the hat slinging slasher.
YouTube, what is good? Generational Hype Beast is back at you with yet another video, man. And today, finally, I get to bring these to you, man. I got these, picked these up from the plug. Was that Wednesday? I believe it was Wednesday, man. I've had so much stuff going on, man. Track and field state championships. Really proud of my boys. I'm not gonna talk too long on it, but we took third place as a team, man. Had a couple of state champions. Shout out to my man Isaiah McCray.
The 401 team.
Yeah, pop him up right here. But got these, man. Like I said on Wednesday, it's a special collab. I ain't gonna beat around the bush with it. I'm just gonna bring it to you. I'm just gonna bring them right on to you, man. So these are the Air Jordan 1 High OG Defiant, man. Size 10.5 for a suggested retail price of $175, man.
They're going up in price on the ones, bro.
Yeah, boxes, regular, degular. But
they're trying to hit us over the head.
The reason why this is going up in price is because it is a collab shoe, believe it or not. You know who they're collabing with? Nike skateboard, man. It's an SB Jordan collab. In case y'all didn't know, man. These change color, my friend. Wear, time, or acetone. Which is AKA
what you're gonna do?
Nail polish. So I did see the homie Seth Fowler's video on these, as well as my big homie Shumanati, man. And just to let you know, I'm gonna give you a little bit of detail on this leather quality, man. Both of them were like, hey, this leather quality is not that great. But what you have to understand is this is a skate shoe, man. It's designed to be skated in. So for that purpose alone, you can't have no soft leather. It's gonna rip apart right away, right? So if you notice, the leather quality on these Sylvesters is just about the same, man. It does take, turn those lights down just a little bit, man. It does take a little bit of wear and tear on these guys. That's number one. And number two, it's double painted, man. It's double painted. So it's got to be a little tougher just for that reason, man. But the main reason why you got this leather quality is because it's a skate shoe, man. It's the SB. As you can see, it did come with multiple laces that he just tucked in there. You got a sail colored lace, you got a red lace, and you got a purple lace. This shoe does metamorphosize.
Metamorphosizes on them boys. What you know about metamorphosizing, man?
Yeah, these shoes definitely dope.
Y'all can't even spell metamorphosizing.
That's the youngins' word, y'all.
I can't spell metamorphosizing. Go ahead, try it. Go ahead, try it. In the comments.
This shoe will metamorphosize over time into a Chicago 1, man. So everything that you see here in purple will go to red, and everything that you see in gold will go to black, man. I haven't decided whether or not I'm gonna
acetone it.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna wear it, rock it like this for a while, and then once I get bored of that look, then I'll probably break it down a little bit. But the only difference in this, between this and the Chicago, when these colors do go away, is that the original Chicago does have the red sole right here. So that will be the only difference in these and these when it comes to them changing into a Chicago. This is not the first time that they have collabed Jordan Brand and SB. If you remember back in the day, man, you had the Lance Mountain joints. I'm gonna find a picture and pop it up right there in the middle. And hey.
Boy, if you don't...
I'm not looking at him. I'm not looking at him.
Whoa.
See, he's looking at me, I'm not looking at him.
But yeah, these are definitely along the lines of the Lance Mountains. The only difference between these and the Lance Mountains is the Lance Mountains tore down the colors into two different colors. I think it went from white to like a royal and right to a red colorway. I think that's how it was. But Both of these shoes turn into Chicago ones, man.
I think that's cool.
Yeah. Inside, man, you got standard trees. There is one thing different about this that is consistent with the SBs, man. It does come with the air unit in the sole. You didn't know that right there, did you?
What's that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's air.
Yeah, that's the air unit in the
Like, so it gives you air.
yeah, give you a little extra cushion there.
Let's see. So if you out of breath, they give you air.
So if you saw our video on this pair, these have the zoom unit in them as well. There you go. So this pair has the zoom air unit as well inside the insole.
Why don't they put this in every shoe? We all need some extra cushion. I mean, it only makes sense. I feel like something pop sauce in your shoe.
And also it's got the Nike SB branding there. It's also got the Nike SB branding on the tongue.
Hellfire.
Couple of little details that are changed. And one thing that you notice right away, man, when you see the shoe is the red piping.
Through that guy.
Yeah, going all the way through that guy, man.
I think that's why it's a little off to me a little bit. I don't know.
That's actually what I like about it, because that's your prelude to know that there's more to this shoe that meets the eye. You know what I mean? So other than that, man, what you think?
I think it's going to turn into a Chicago one. It's a little bit more like, almost like people are actually thinking creative now. They're thinking creative before, like they're taking it to another level though with this, like over time and over wear. Like you pass them down to your kids, you could wear the Los Angeles colorway and they rocking the Chicago's.
Yeah, no doubt.
Using one shoe, so it is what it is.
What you think about laces? What color laces would you go with?
I'm simple. I'll keep the black.
I think I'm gonna go with the black too. I think anytime you have a white tongue, you need to go with the black laces. That's just how I feel about it. But
if you wear the white laces with this, you're borderline crazy. I don't know what's wrong with you. Them things would be ugly with the white laces.
But that's it, man. We got the Defiance here, man, in the building. I will try to get it on foot with this video, man. I got a lot of stuff going on today, but
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, man. Today is Sunday. I don't even know what date it is, but happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there.
12th, 13th.
Make sure you, if you haven't done it by now, you need to spank them, but make sure you tell your mothers and your wives and your girlfriends who got babies, happy Mother's Day.
Even if they baking in the oven.
Big facts. So that's it, man. Jordan SB collab, man. Defiant guys in the building. We'll see what I do. All right, so we're gonna come back right now. Like I said, man, that's it. Defiant SB Jordan collabs in the building. Youngin. He qualified for nationals, y'all.
Nice.
Y'all mean? Dad, son, Cams.
Holla.